Welcome to FlexAbilities, an online flexibility training program designed for dancers, figure skaters, and gymnasts. You can find the full version of this video on the FlexAbilities website. Start your free trial today at flex-abilities.com. Now let's get into today's stretching routine. Let's get started by warming up the neck. This is going to mobilize the nervous system, which will help to release tension in your hamstrings. Gently tilt your head from side to side to stretch out your neck. Repeat with me 20 times. You will need a pair of yoga blocks for this next exercise. Stack the blocks on top of each other and sit down on your heels like this. Then you're going to slowly straighten the legs into a standing pike position, with your hands resting on top of the blocks. Then slowly sit back down. We are going to repeat this exercise 10 times, and on the last one, hold for 10 seconds. If you feel like this is getting too easy, take one block off to increase the level of difficulty. On the last one, stay up and hold for 10 seconds. Up next, sitting pike stretches. Flex the feet when you reach forward and point the toes when you come up. We are going to do 10 and then hold for 10 seconds on the last one. When you do this stretch, make sure that you keep the legs straight and flex the feet all the way up every time you reach forward. Now together. Now reach forward and hold for 10 seconds with flexed feet. Point the toes and hold for 10 more seconds. Up next, we are going to stretch out the glutes, which are located in the back of your hips, right about here. Cross one leg over the other and hold this position with me for 10 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat this stretch one more time on each side. Last time, switch sides. Now we are going to do straddle stretches. Start by placing your feet in the corners of the mat or as far as you can go, and make sure that your knees are facing up towards the ceiling. Now flex the feet and reach towards one foot and hold for 5 seconds. Then we're going to switch sides and hold for 5 more seconds. After that, you're going to reach the hands to the inside of your leg and hold, and then switch sides. Now let's do it together. Flex the feet as much as you can, then reach towards one foot and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then switch sides. Reach over the leg and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to reach to the inside of the leg and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then switch sides. Reach as far as you can and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to repeat those stretches one more time. You will need a stretch band or a yoga strap for this next exercise. Lay down on your back and pull one leg up to the front to stretch out the hamstring. Always make sure that your back is flat on the ground when doing this stretch. And don't worry if you cannot go above 90 degrees. Just do your best and I promise you will get more flexible as long as you put in the work. We are holding this stretch for 10 seconds, 3 times each side. Do not switch legs yet. We are going to repeat 2 more times on this side, then we'll switch legs. Now we are going to switch sides. That's all for today's flexibility lesson. If you enjoyed this video and would like to complete the full version, go to FlexAbilities and subscribe for exclusive stretching routines and member-only benefits.